Oh, look, ready, come here, look. Hey, Grady, just gonna start screaming out the back.
Cameras ready.
Big training mission. And go, 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 go. Turn green light, go, 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 go. Here they go.
It's amazing how close they can come in between them.
They go side by side, right. Yeah, they take it many years.
That's so cool.
Exactly where to... 400 of these boys. As I said, they started late.
So their parachutes are way up inside there.
Yeah, well, they're connected.
They're connected?
Right, they hook them up on a cable, so as they run out, it automatically pulls the chute as they leave.
Okay. That's so cool. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is amazing.
I wonder who's getting hurt today. All the talcum powder blowing off some of the chutes.
They're what?
Watch some of the talcum powder blowing off some of the chutes as they come out. You'll watch them like a little white cloud or some of them.
That is so cool. It's like a mushroom cloud.
Wow. Oh, you got the camera out?
I'm sorry?
That's what you do, that's the camera out?
Yeah, it's on, it's recording.
This is a first. It's a big training mission right here.
The last two are pretty close together. Yeah, I was going to say, he must be farther over, yeah.
He's way off to the side. See if do they drop and roll when they hit the ground? That's what they should be doing, is just drop and roll.
I'll watch them.
Just drop and have your feet together and roll. Just fall to your body.
Oh, they're behind the hill. You can't see them.
They should be dropping and rolling.
Yeah, you can't see them at all. That's so cool, though.
Well, we've been invaded.
Do they have... Because they're obviously their parachutes aren't.
They have limited guidance.
These soldiers are jumping with combat equipment. Typically, if they were in combat, they would be jumping with equipment equal to their own weight, maybe even a little more.
That's correct. And you're talking about a long trip also. These troopers today came all the way from Pope Air Force Base at Fort Bragg in North Carolina, making the 2-hour-and-a-half trip here, made it on time and on target.
Wow, that was nice. Yeah, so this was just a bonus, do it in front of a bunch of people.
Yeah. First. Oh, cool. I've never seen that. He's still got an inflated chute.
We've now got 4 jumpers left in the air. Now I'm going to turn the music off.
He's like in the woods.
There are about 400 soldiers. They are volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. They are representing your United States Army. The tens of thousands of you who are here today. I want you to make some noise and let them know how much you appreciate that great jump.